Alright guys, we're here at a Target doing a quick hunt. So let's take a quick scan over here. Looks like they haven't received anything new on the Hot Wheels, and if they did, looks like somebody already went through all this stuff, so I'm not even gonna bother. Let's see, looks like they got some of these new Fast and Furious Spy Racers. This one's actually pretty cool. See, nothing new on these 5-packs. Looks like they took all the good ones. Yeah. They have a couple of these night burners. Yeah, it looks like they took the good ones, the 2021 Corvette and the exotics one. They have more over here, but it's more of the same. They have some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles monster trucks that we don't care for. So those are staying there. They have more 5-packs over here. Don't care for those. And what do we have here? Looks like they stocked some of these new Flying Customs. So definitely taking this one. That Chevy Love I already have. There's another El Camino. Here's a 2013 Copo Camaro. That one I'm taking for my boy Mustang Hunter. Ooh, this one's cool. They got this cool custom Volkswagen Beetle. Taking that one. Let's see, what else do they have? You know what? Maybe I should take both of them just and use it as trade bait. I'm gonna take this 73 Pontiac Firebird. Definitely taking this custom 67 Pontiac Firebird. Ooh, they have this nice 1967 custom Mustang Hunter. One of these, if I find one, I'm gonna take for you. I know you love Mustangs. Let's see here. We already picked up one of these 73 Pontiac Firebirds. There's a custom Vega. I never liked that one. Looks like they got some of the old Flying Customs as well over there. So, what do we have over here? Pretty much more of the same. So over here we have some Mario Karts. Let me put these in the cart. Okay guys. Alright. So we have some of these Star Wars, Mario Kart, Star Wars, Monster Jam that's not supposed to be here. Super Mario. We have some of these Disney cars over here. Not bad. Actually, this one's pretty cool. They do look pretty cool. I just don't want to pick them up because then I feel like I have to collect all of them. And they have these cool Star Wars ones. Pretty cool. I'm not really into these, but I don't know. Kind of thinking of taking some for my son, but I'm not too sure yet. Let's see here. Oops, I'm already dropping stuff. Alright guys, looks like that's pretty much all they have right now. They have some more Monster Jams over here, some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. They have some Hot Wheels monster trucks. And more Monster Jam. And they have these new VTech Switch and Go wannabe Transformers. Flywheels. They have these cheap diecast cars. And looks like they restocked on some of these Matchbox Superfast. Somebody mentioned that this one is pretty hard to get. So I'm not taking it because I already have it. Like, yeah, this Raptor's pretty cool. I already have it, so I'm gonna leave it there for somebody else. Let's see, they have some Matchbox 5-packs. This one's pretty cool. Really cool. That one has a bug in it. I love that shop truck right there. It's pretty cool. Micro Machines. Let's see here. More Micro Machines. Don't really like these. Some Jada Toys bugs. There's a VWT ones. King Crunch Greenlight. This one's pretty cool. 1966 Chevy Corvette. This one's pretty cool. Really, really cool. Too bad I don't collect the scale. Out there they have the 2017 Ford GT. Here they have some Tech Deck skateboards and BMX bikes. And what do we have over here? Ooh, they have this nice little Harley Davidson truck with a motorcycle. This scale is way too big. Here we have some Justice League, Batmobile and Batman, Micro Machines, Fire and Rescue. We have this 1977 Plymouth Fury. Pretty cool. Check out this little barrel here or whatever it is. Looks like it opens up and it turns into like a little pipeline or something. There we go. Anyways, guys, looks like that's pretty much all they have. I'm gonna take off. You know what? I'm gonna take this 5-pack because of this car right there. I love that rabbit. It's really, really cool. All right, guys. Let's see what else they have in the action figures. They have the Squidders. These must be new. I've never heard of them or seen them before. Yeah. Pretty cool, man. Never seen them before. Have some Frozen. We have Thomas and Friends. Alright. Anyways, let's come over here. Yeah, a subscriber of mine asked me to show some figures, so just gonna see what they have. I don't collect this, but looks like they only have this Forky from Pixar, Toy Story. Now they have this Pixar Fest. There's the bunny from Toy Story 4. They have the Tiny Toot from the Minions. Here we have some Cartoon Network Ben 10. It's the alien game Omnitrix. Never heard of these characters, so I'm just showing them because, like I said, a subscriber of mine asked me to show some figures. So here we have some DragonWorks. And we have these little eggs here. We have Minions. We have this Star Wars Baby Frick. We have the Darth Vader. What is this? Oh, the lightsaber. Here's another one. There's more Star Wars back there. Here's this guy right here. More Star Wars. Here we have some Jurassic Park. And here we have the ship. It's the Star Wars Mission Fleet. And this one has a Han Solo in it. This one has a BB unit. So I'll check this one out. Looks like the BB units come in different colors. Never knew that. Check this out. Alright guys, so let's see here. They have some of these. Looks like they just got these. They didn't have them before. Pretty interesting. There's some of this. Let's take a look at what they have down here. Alright guys, so it looks like that's pretty much it. I'm gonna call it a day. You guys have a great Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.